bullish ape value expectation is $5.35 to $10.52. Apecoin cost could likewise reach $8 soon. Ape negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $3.11. In Apecoin cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Ape to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. Apecoin current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Apecoin is $4.60 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $177,757,476 at the hour of composing. In any case, Ape has diminished by 5.8% as of now. Besides, Apecoin has a coursing supply of 314,218,758. As of now, Apecoin exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Whitebit, Coinbase Trade, FTX, OKX, and KuCoin. What is Apecoin? Apecoin is the local utility badge of the Ape biological system. It is an ERC20 token made and oversaw by Apecoin since its send-off in WAC 2022. Apecoin has turned into a popular metaverse token connected with the viral exhausted Ape Yacht Club NFTs and other side metaverse. Apecoin is the essential administration token that awards clients casting a ballot rights in its local DAO. Ape holders partake in the organization's administration recommendations. Ape, conveyed as a decentralized installment token across a few Web 3D apps. Engineers and clients get close enough to the implicit administrations inside the Ape biological system. Additionally, Apecoin, allotted as a motivating force to remunerate designers who add to the organization's turn of events. Apecoin value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Apecoin spread out the plummeting triangle design. This example is much of the time viewed as a quality of a negative pattern. It is framed by the upper pattern line that interfaces the highs and a level pattern line interfacing lows joins to shape a triangle. Assuming the cost activity penetrates the lower support level, the negative pattern would be maintained. By and large, a slipping triangle design demonstrates the inversion of an upswing or the continuation of the downtrend. Brokers definitely pay special attention to a huge breakout point. At present, Apecoin is in the scope of $4.66. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of Ape could arrive at the obstruction levels of $5.12. $6.12 and $7.69. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Ape might tumble to $4.27. Apecoin backing and obstruction levels. The outline beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Apecoin. The outlines show that Apecoin has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Ape could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $10.52. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Apecoin could plunge to nearly $3.11, a negative sign. Apecoin value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Apecoin is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Ape lies underneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Apecoin is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, the Apecoin cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. As of now, Ape is in a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Ape whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the Ape is 48.04. This implies that Apecoin is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Ape might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Apecoin value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Apecoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Apecoin. Right now, the ADX of Ape lies in the scope of 22.999, so it demonstrates a powerless pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall unpredictability list of the Apecoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Ape lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of the Apecoin is at 48.04, in this manner affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Ape with BTC, ATH. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Apecoin. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value change of BTC is not at all like ETH and Ape. That shows that when the cost of BTC builds, the cost of ETH and Ape diminishes. Likewise, when the cost of BTC diminishes, the cost of ETH and Ape increments. Apecoin Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Apecoin could presumably achieve $10 by 2023. Apecoin Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Apecoin could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Ape could energize to hit $15 by 2024. Apecoin Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Apecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Ape would revitalize to hit $20. Apecoin Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Apecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Ape would energize to hit $25. Apecoin Value Expectation 2027. If Apecoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Ape would mobilize to hit $30. Apecoin Value Forecast 2028. In the event that Apecoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Ape would hit $35 in 2028. Apecoin Value Expectation 2029. Ape could hit $40 by 2029. Apecoin Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Ape convention, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Ape for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Apecoin could hit $45 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the Apecoin organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Ape. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Apecoin in 2022 is $10.52. Then again, the negative value expectation of Apecoin cost forecast for 2022 is $3.11. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Apecoin environment, the presentation of Ape would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $26.70 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $8 assuming the financial backers accept that Ape is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Apecoin? Apecoin is a well-known metaverse token related with Exhausted Apes Yacht Club NFTs. This ERC20 token is the utility badge of the Ape environment and an installment token sent across Web3D apps. 2. Where could you at any point buy Apecoin? Apecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Whitebit, Coinbase Trade, FTX, OKX, and KuCoin. 3. Will Apecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the stage, Ape has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Apecoin? On April 28, 2022, Apecoin arrived at its new all-time high